take a shower. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. Today I am back with a glowy and natural makeup tutorial, and also I decided to do a wavy hair tutorial using a hair straightener that I recently got. I love this kind of hairstyle. It's just very nice for the spring, for the summer. So yeah, I'm very excited. But before we get started with the tutorial, I just wanted to say welcome. If you're new around here, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Click on that bell as well so that way you get notified when new videos are uploaded. And follow me on social media. I will leave you guys all my handle links down there below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So for my eyeshadow, I am using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Not only is it a gorgeous palette, but it also smells delicious. I'm going to take the shade Georgia and I'm going to apply it all over the crease of the eye, followed by the shade Summer Yum. I'm going to apply this directly above it and then just go a little bit above it as well, so that way it gives it a pop of color. Using my fingertip, I'm using the color Luscious and I'm just pressing it down gently on my lower lid. I'm also going to line the lower lash line using the same shade Summer Yum. I'm going to finish off the eye look by applying my favorite eyeliner. This one here is from Kat Von D and it's one of my favorites at the moment. So the foundation that I'm trying out is from Almay, and I have two shades right here. I have a medium deep and then I also have straight up medium, which is the one that I am using. And this was actually sent out to me from Octoly and Almay to try out. They sent me some of their products, a foundation and some highlighters and also some wipes. So I am going to apply it all over the face, and then using a brush, I'm just going to blend it out. This foundation has SPF 15, and you have to blend it out to reveal the color. And I really like it because it actually matches the skin tone. It has this smart shade, skin tone matching, and you can use it with many skin tones, and they do have a wide variety on their website as well. But I absolutely loved how it actually matched my skin. It looks amazing. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this bronzer to contour the sides of my cheeks, my nose, and the forehead area. And I'm just going to blend it out until there is no harsh lines. Once everything is blended out, I'm going to take some translucent powder just to go under that. And then I'm going to follow with the blush. The blush that I'm using is also from Too Faced from the Peach collection. Next, I will be trying out this Almay. It's called Instant Glow Highlighter Duo. It has an illuminator on one side and then it has a highlighter on the other. It's like a cream, but it blended out amazingly and I really liked how glowy it looks. It makes the skin look super pretty and glowing and healthy. This one was also sent out to me from Octoly and Almay, but I absolutely loved how gorgeous the shade came out. Next, I'm going to take this other highlighter, also from Almay. It's called Make Them Jelly Highlight Illuminator, and this one here has a really awesome texture. It's almost like a jelly, but it is so beautiful, very pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. As you can see here, I'm just applying it very gently to the skin and it gives you this beautiful highlight. So now for my hair, I will be creating some gorgeous glam waves using this NuMe hair straightener. It's called the Technique Mint hair straightener and it's in this gorgeous mint color. And NuMe and Octoly sent this out to me so that I could try it out and review it for you guys. So I'm super excited. This hair straightener is made with a 1-inch tourmaline ceramic floating plate, and it also has a temperature control. And what's nice about this is that it's safe for all hair type, and it also softens your hair while making it shiny at the same time. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the hair straightener and I'm placing it towards the center of my hair and then just turning it on the opposite way of my face. And I'm doing this to all the strands. You want to make sure that you're taking smaller sections at a time, that they're not that thick. And this is what it looks like. It looks really beautiful. It creates some really nice waves. You can also curl them and make them tighter if you grab smaller strands and then just start from the top. But this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.